For decades, materials science has operated in reverse. Researchers synthesize a candidate, characterize it, discover it falls short, and start over. The properties of a material emerge at the end of the process: unpredictable, expensive, and slow. Designing materials with predictable functionality is one of America's most critical challenges. Not finding materials that happen to work, but specifying the outcome first and letting AI design backward to the material that delivers it. That capability, inverse design with guaranteed explainable predictions, is possible with Domino. Domino is a flexible MLOps platform that provides a robust model factory to run mission-critical AI-powered workloads. You can think of Domino as the underlying engine that allows an organization to build custom AI-powered applications with the traceability, reproducibility, and governance required for mission-critical decision-making. Everything in our inverse design initiative lives inside a single Domino project, an organized, collaborative space where material scientists, machine learning engineers, and program managers can share one system of record. Here, we've built out an inverse design capability in the form of an end-to-end AI system for battery cathode materials discovery. Let's take a look at how an application powered by Domino can establish energy dominance. Domino allows for flexible model deployments, including exporting the model off-platform. We built an application, Cathode IQ, to allow users to interact more freely with our model. Domino facilitates deploying apps from a variety of popular frameworks. This is where the paradigm shift happens. The researcher doesn't just browse a catalog of existing materials, they define what they need. A cathode that delivers a certain milliamp hours per gram, a certain voltage, and at least 85% capacity retention after 500 cycles. These aren't just search filters, they're a functional specification, and the AI's job is to design to it. The agent first queries the DOE Materials Project Battery Explorer API, a program out of Lawrence Berkeley National Lab, pulling real data for thousands of lithium-ion cathode candidates. This data is used to generate additional hypothetical, realistic candidates. Domino datasets can be versioned and tracked on the platform, with a separate layer of access control allowing for fine-grained permissions management. The platform can also connect out to external databases, like AWS S3, in order to provide a central location for traceability and flexibility. In just a few seconds, the agent scores, filters, and ranks the top candidates. This is generative AI working side by side with traditional machine learning. Now I want you to notice something important about how this actually worked. The AI agent brought the candidates forward, but when it needed to classify predictable functionality, it called out to a traditional machine learning model as a tool. That's a model that was trained on our own data, trained across multiple configurations, and registered, all preserved in Domino. Domino enables both generative AI and traditional machine learning to run side by side on the same platform. The agent brings dynamic decision making, and the trained model brings the validated, auditable prediction. Together, they give you something that neither could do alone. Now, you might be thinking this looks impressive, but how would you ever trust AI making decisions on molecular compounds? Let me show you something. Every decision the AI made is logged here in Domino. You can see information about spec inputs and what it returned. You can also see exactly where the agent called the scoring model and what score came back. So when your program manager asks why this compound was scored so highly, you can open this trace and the answer is right there. Nothing leaves your secure environment, and every model is deployed inside Domino with the same access controls and governance that you apply to your data. This is not a black box. This is auditable, governed AI that is ready for regulatory inspection. Researchers can also run the model in forward design mode, adjusting elemental composition and watching predicted properties respond in real time. This feature allows us to find optimal nickel, manganese, cobalt combinations without having to run a single expensive DFT simulation. Look what happens when I solely rely on cobalt for the transition metal. High thermal stability, strong voltage, but flagged, because its cobalt dependence scores 18 out of 100 on Earth abundance, a critical supply chain vulnerability that the model is explicitly designed to surface. This is what designing for predictable functionality means in practice. The AI doesn't just optimize for peak performance, it predicts deployable performance against every dimension that determines whether a material can actually reach the grid. If model predictions start diverging from new lab results, Domino's model monitoring will flag it and fire off an automated retraining job, keeping the system honest as materials science evolves. Model governance follows the model along every step from prototype to production, leveraging stages and approvals to ensure high-fidelity models are making mission-critical decisions. To design materials with predictable functionality, you need AI reasoning that is interpretable, trustworthy, and capable of bridging the gap between a computational prediction and a real-world deployment decision. Every verdict in the system can be traced back to a specific model, a specific dataset, and a specific feature contribution. By working in reverse, every functional specification becomes a model input. Every prediction is auditable. Every retraining cycle incorporates new experimental knowledge, and every result is reproducible across teams, across national labs, or across the full research enterprise. The question for American energy dominance isn't whether AI can accelerate materials science. It's whether we have the platform infrastructure to make that acceleration trustworthy, governable, and permanent. That's what Domino delivers.